Hello everyone, this is Sonal Vaidya, Chief Embryologist to be her clinic and also the first Indian to be ISHRAE certified as Senior Clinical Embryologist. IVF labs all over the world face many challenges daily, one of them being using the right gametes to create embryos. Most of the labs have manual witnessing protocols. RI witness system is an electronic system which is a robust system and can be easily incorporated in your existing manual witnessing protocols. In addition to this, the RI witness system can track down the procedures, time the steps, and therefore it is very easy to use and reduces the learning curve of the embryologist. The system can cover the vast area and therefore it is very easy to use. RI witness system can alert the operator before a mishap or an error can actually occur, and therefore RI witness system has given us a very stress-free life. I would like to congratulate the RI witness team as well as Team CooperSurgical's for their 500th global installation. Thank you.